Alright, Forex market, guys, second analysis of the day. This time it's a follow-up. Previous one on the pound dollar was fresh, right off the shelf. This one, you're very familiar with this one. We have an active bullish position, which is basically a second bullish position back to back to one that we started even before, way before. We're basically riding out this move ever since December, so quite some time now, 2 months. We're chasing, you know what, actually that's the third. The first one was to 2089. I got it a little bit mixed up here. The second one was to 122.50, the previous highs. This is the third back-to-back bullish campaign we're having on this one. This one is actually dedicated to the breakout, right? Because up until that point, the first two bullish campaigns were just about reaching that upper section when we started right here at the bottom. But now we think that's it. This system, this trading range is exploding. It's done with trading sideways. It's about to like, that's how it looks like, right? It's about to set up a new bullish move, a new upside move that could go far away, right? Literally, the skies are the limits. I mean, if you think about it, just the previous major high is somewhere around 133, which is about 1,000 pip. Now we're not gonna aim that far, that's for sure. But here's the situation. I wanted to follow up here because, guys, last time we've been here, I believe that was probably 6-7 good days ago. I think it was 7 days ago. And I was talking about, I was a little bit concerned over what seemed to be back then a bit of a clash against that 2317. It was threatened by price action. We didn't know whether this is going to end up being a legit breakout, a real time breakout. And price was definitely, playing a little bit with our feelings here while it was kind of slicing that level. Let me show you how that looked like from the daily perspective. Couple of days where price spent below 2317 before it shot itself back up, and now, as you can see, it's pushing forward. So I'm very glad to say that we're back in business, right? And what we did for the first time now, in this particular campaign, like I said, the third one, we pulled the trigger again, right? Opened fire, taking a second trade here, which means we're basically starting to build up this position, this bullish position. We're aiming at 25.21, remember? So we still have about 130 pep to go, and hopefully we can squeeze in at least 2 or maybe even 3 trades to get there with a heavy size position before we knock off that target. All right. As far as stop loss level goes, here it is. You've just seen me correct the new stop loss level, which is right now 22.20. Right, we're keeping a healthy distance from that 23.17, which we already witnessed being jeopardized by price action that got a little bit in too deep. So we want to keep a bit of a safety space, right? Safety zone, if you will. Anyway, guys, it looks good. I wanted to follow up, keep you posted about some small changes that we've made, and of course to let you in on the fact that we're starting to close in on that target. So it's gonna be interesting to come back and follow up on the situation. That's about that for the day today. Enjoy the rest of it. Forex market. We'll be back tomorrow. Cheers.